Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. This is a ridiculously easy look. So obviously we're going to start off with a clean face, and I'm just going to add a moisturizing primer because I have really bad dry skin and the Halloween makeup is kind of killing it. I'm just going to go in with a light coverage foundation and even out my skin tone pretty much. Not a lot going on here. Obviously, we're going to have to conceal under our eyes and any blemishes that we still have showing. You can kind of skip the under eye concealer if you want to. It's just a really bad habit for me. Seeing as how part of our face is going to be covered in purple eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and try to pop my contour a little bit more. So I'm going to do a cream and then set it with my face powder and then go over it again with some contouring powder. And you know by now that no matter what look I'm going to do, I'm going to add a highlight. So go ahead and highlight. I'm not going overboard because most of it's going to get covered up. Just going to add those little details. So now I'm going to quickly throw some eyebrows on off camera. Look how perfect. Not really. They came out a little wonky. Jumping into the eye look, I'm going to go in with a light purple from the James Charles palette and just create a smoky crease and kind of connect it into my outer corner. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go over pretty much all of it with a darker eyeshadow just to add a little dimension to my eye. To pop this look a little bit more, I'm going to go in with a purple glittery shimmery eyeshadow. Started with the brush, ended with the finger. You know how it always goes. Just pack that on until you're content with your eye. You can do something more natural. You can do no eye makeup. Very versatile look here. So once we're done with all that, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit. Pretty easy, simple, good to go. And that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to quickly pop a wing on and some lashes. I ended up having to do a weird winged eyeliner for hooded eyes because it just wasn't going well for me. And I ended up just using Demi Wispies because those eyelashes were too big. For my lip, I just used Pure Hollywood from Anastasia with Buxom's White Russian over it. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with that same crease brush and the lighter eyeshadow we used, the lighter purple, and I'm going to map out where I want my purple to end up being. It doesn't have to be precise, you just want to lay down your color, and then I'm going to just fill it all in light purple. So you have a good purple base down. I'm going to go in with that purpley grape, dark purple eggplant shade, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go in with that and start going over pretty much that entire area just to deepen it and add a little more depth. Then I realized I'm working way too hard and I could just be using this big old giant brush, which is what I ended up switching to. So I'm just covering and making sure everything's kind of blended out and looking very purpley. And to top this off, I'm going to go in with that purple glitter eyeshadow and go over the center of my nose just to add a pop of a highlight. Then I decided I just wanted a little more shimmer, so I'm going in with the purple highlighter from Anastasia And here's the fun part. I'm gonna tie my hair back and put on this very bad, very cheap Halloween wig I found at Walmart for $5. I'm blending out the edges a little bit more, and I'm already starting to work on my bubble gum so I can try to blow you guys a very good bubble. Didn't work out very well. This actually took like an hour and I gave up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!